Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas, and today is day 10th. And for today's video, of course, it's another super quick and easy DIY that anyone can make. And the reason why I brought these out is because this is from day 1, and if you watch this video, you know how I put these together. And I don't have a process video on these because I made them exactly the same way as I did these. So all I did was measure my paper length to whatever size this is, and then I just wrapped the whole box. Now I have to admit, lately I've been kind of obsessed with these. I don't know if you guys ever tried them, but oh my gosh, these are delicious, you guys. I know a lot of people don't love caramel, but I love caramel. Anything with caramel I absolutely love. Anyways, you can find these at Tuesday Morning and also at Walmart, but I have to tell you, Tuesday Morning has them for just a little bit cheaper, as you can see, for $1.99, whereas Walmart has them for like $2.19 or something like that. So it's just a little bit cheaper at Tuesday Morning, and you know we all love shopping there. And then I brought these out because these embellishments, or now these altered snowflakes, are from day 5. So I just wanted to bring these out really quickly and show you what I use to embellish my boxes. So let me go ahead and bring them out. Okay, and here they are. Look how cute they look. It is such an easy project, you guys. Anyone can make this. Now what I did to that layer of snowflake, I added a bigger one behind there, and you can pretty much find these anywhere. I think mine were from Big Lots, and they come like in a pack of 10. And then I added one of those bows, one of those gift bows, and of course that altered snowflake that I made. And all 3 of them are exactly the same. Let me show you what the chocolates look like, or the candy. So that's what they look like. But what I like is that once you've finished the candy that's inside, you can actually reuse it and maybe re-gift something else. And I got this. Sandra, my BFF here on YouTube, she gifted me a little box that had all of this, and look how perfect this fits in there. So I wanted to share that with you so you can have an idea of how big this box is. So you can fit there quite a bit, and it fits there perfect. So once you've done, you know, eating all of the chocolate that's inside, you can definitely reuse this bag. At least that's what I hope the person will do, is reuse it and re-gift it in this pretty packaging, I think. All right, so that is it for today, and hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you check out the other ladies. I will have all of their YouTube channels in the description box, and hope you all have an amazing day. Bye everyone.